Are you breathing? Of course you're breathing. You're here watching this video. The question is, how are you breathing? Are you a quick, shallow breather, or are you a deep, diaphragmatic, or belly breather, slow and steady? The importance of this is that oxygen is essential for every cell in our body. It helps repair our muscles, it feeds our brain, it cleanses our cells, it converts food and liquid into energy. Vitally important for our body. The problem is, over time, throughout our lives, whether it's exercise, injuries and surgeries, daily repetitive movements, being a student, or going to work every day, creates restrictions throughout our body. Our body holds. Tension and stress do the same thing. If we get scared often, we'll creep with our shoulders and create tension, and our breath will get caught in just below our neck or very shallow in our chest. And this isn't good. We're not expanding fully into our chest and our body as we were intended to. So being mindful 2 to 3 times a day is a good place to start. Draw your shoulders back and down. Don't have your shoulders be earrings. Bring them down. Pull your chest back and take some long, deep breaths into your abdomen. Expand it out fully, and then contract your abdomen in and force that air out. Nice, slow and steady, but get those breaths in. Breathing is so important. It has a tremendous impact on our digestive system, on our sleep, and on our nervous system. So take some time out of your day and do a little extra breathing.